How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to basically cash in or transfer your Bitcoin into your Cash App account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and all you guys would need to do is open the Cash App application and basically go from there. Now, there are a couple things that we'll need to actually make the transfer happen. So we'll need our crypto wallet address. So let's say that you guys have your Bitcoin stored in your Coinbase account or eToro or Binance. It doesn't really matter. So what you guys would want to do is go to the that said platform and extract your wallet address. Now, to actually find a wallet address is quite simple. Simply sign in, and you should find the your crypto details, such as your wallet address, on your profile. So once you've extracted that, you're ready to open the Cash App account, or I should say Cash App application. So to actually deposit the Bitcoin into your Cash App account, what you'll need to do is you'll need to open the app, obviously, and then you want to click on the Money tab on your Cash App home screen. So it actually looks something like this. So here we are. Oh, so this little icon right here, the dollar sign, you want to click on this, and from there you should have the option to access the Bitcoin tile. Now, once you guys are there, you want to click on Deposit Bitcoin. You simply want to input it in the box and then select Deposit Bitcoin. Now, this may take a couple of days for the transfer to happen. As it reads here, depending on the network activity, it can take hours before transfers into or out of your Cash App are confirmed on the blockchain. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.